When it comes to car maintenance, finding quick, efficient, and budget-friendly solutions can save both time and effort. Here are some genius ways to use WD-40 and make car maintenance easier. WD-40 is great for lubricating parts like door hinges, locks, and the seat mechanisms, helping them work smoothly and quietly. Simply spray a little on the joints and move the parts to distribute the lubricant evenly. WD-40 can clean your tires and help prevent them from cracking due to weather exposure. Spray a small amount on a clean cloth, then wipe down the tires to keep them looking great and protected. Bird dropping from car surface is easy to remove with WD-40. Spray it directly on the affected area and let it sit for a few minutes. Wipe it away with a cloth. Spraying WD-40 on the battery helps prevent rust from forming. Keep your car tools, electrical contacts, engine components, and other parts protected from corrosion by using it regularly. WD-40 can help you keep your car interior clean and shiny. Lightly spray it on a cloth and use it to wipe down the surfaces for a fresh appearance. You can also use it to clean the headlight of car. Spray the WD-40 onto the headlight and clean it with microfiber cloth. It removes dirt from the surface. WD-40 is excellent for squeaking doors. Spray it on door latch. It can also be used in keyhole because it prevents hole from rusting. Prevent corrosion around your battery terminals by applying a small amount of WD-40. It creates a protective barrier and helps your battery last longer. WD-40 is a versatile solution that helps loosen adhesive bonds, making it effective for removing sticker and tape residues. It is safe for most car surfaces and leaves no harsh chemical stains or damage. WD-40 can be used to clean your car wiper blades. Just spray a small amount on a soft cloth, wipe down the wiper blades. It helps to remove dirt and grime from it. It can also be used to clean the side mirror of your car. Spray it on your dirty mirror and rub it with your hand. After that, clean the area with clean cloth. You will get shiny mirror with this use. From cleaning and lubricating to protecting and fixing, these tricks will make your car care routine more efficient and easy.